Today we're aerifying. This is our first aerification of the year. Our goal is to remove 20 to 25% of the material for the year. Actually poking the holes and dragging the cores to the edge of the greens. And these guys are cleaning up the core piles from the edges of the green. Tomorrow we will do a heavy top dressing, and we will drag and roll and brush the sand into the holes. And what we're trying to do is remove thatch and dilute the thatch layer in the greens with fresh sand. The process itself will be done today, but tomorrow we will start. We are closed 3 days for this aerification, which we do greens, tees, and fairways in 3 days. Tomorrow we will start top dressing and rolling and brushing and start the cleanup process. Well, I think being at the World Golf Village, we have the World Golf Hall of Fame here. Have some famous designers. This course was named after Sam Snead and Gene Sarazen, who were player consultants on the design.
Daily mowing, we mow greens generally 5 times a week, and we'll roll greens twice a week. And basically that allows us to have a pretty smooth surface. We cut fairways and tees Mondays and Fridays, occasionally on Wednesdays when it calls for it. Once again, we stay on a growth regulator that allows us to keep the clippings down and keep a more consistent, smooth surface. We generally cut new cups every day. Some of that depends on play. If we have a light day of play, we may skip that. That allows us to do maintenance in other areas and also less plugs on the greens. During the summer, we top dress the greens every 2 to 3 weeks. It allows for a smoother surface as well as dilutes the thatch, so it provides not only a smoother green, but a firmer green as well. We're able to keep quality greens through a few different cultural practice. We do occasional verticut, which also smooths the surface, and once again, it removes some of the thatch material, so we'll provide a smoother, firmer surface. The most important thing we do to the greens is top dressing. So what we do after we top dress is we drag the sand in with a indoor-outdoor carpet mat. We drag the greens in with a drag mat, and that incorporates the sand into the surface. That smooths out any imperfections and also will dilute the organic matter in the green.